Hello, handsome. You seen your Uncle Nathan today? Or Daisy? Where's your girlfriend? Where's Daisy? Daisy could be here. You sure are handsome, dog. Is that Uncle Nathan? Who is he? Somebody here? You sure are a handsome dog, huh?